Richa Bansal, and the principal of our school, Ma'am Savita Tripathi. Please put your hands together. Great and wonderful greetings to one and all present here. Leaders are to lead us. Leaders to guide us. We have gathered here this morning to celebrate the investiture ceremony of our school. The investitures and the abilities of our students. This ceremony marks the induction decisions of the student council. I think the chief guest, indeed the chief host of our school, the great and iconic educationist who has been for every one of us. Please put your hands together for Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir. Please put your hands together, dear students, as we are offering a warm welcome. I am proudly delighted to extend a plural welcome to Dr. Richa Bansal. Please put your hands together, incessant clapping, a warm welcome indeed. Now, Ma'am Savita Tripathi on the stage for light is a symbol of brightness. Thank you, dignitaries. Please put your hands together as I welcome our little angel Priyanshi Oja of 6th A for East Vandana.
चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमर्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुरुप्रवराय गुरवे गुरुगुरवे कीर्तनाराय कीर्तनत्वाय कीर्तनोत्राय भूतगुल्माय ग्रन्थमन्ताय भोजनप्रदाय गुणाधीशाय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवीशाय एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय गणेशाय धीमहि.
Give a huge round of applause. Really beautiful presentation. Creates a sense of loyalty and devotion in the minds of students. The term anthem means a song of celebration. Let's celebrate the joy of being a part of Bansal Public School. Please put your hands together. It's a divine place. It's the school, is the divine land, and we pledge to take its name really high. With this, amidst huge round of applauses, may I invite the students for school anthem. Put your hands together. It was sung by the students. It's a pledge that we are totally devoted and dedicated for making the school to the greatest heights. It is our duty, utmost duty being the student as well as the faculties to look to this, that our school always shine and under the guidance of a chief mentor and director who really has remarkable and unique vision, grow beyond academic excellence. He always perceives students to think out of box. Let's put our hands together once again for school anthem. It's a matter of great pride and pleasure that today, to grace the occasion, we have with us the sculptor of human character, a great visionary who really has unique and different ideas to excel, a seasoned scholar and the navigator of our school. He is none other than the Chief Mentor and Director of our school, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir. Please put your hands together. Our Honorable sir has taken our school to the pinnacle with his kind words and formally announced our ceremony of investiture.
Dear students, I think there is nothing better than this could be possible to have such a wonderful opening of any investiture ceremony like this, and indeed it is my proud privilege to be the integral part of it. To begin with, I would like to extend my best wishes and congratulations to all the members of the newly formed Student Council. New council means the new designation, and new designation brings the new responsibilities. And the new responsibility means that there should be a better coordination in between the students and rest of the school, for which the head boy, head girl, house captains will have to share the maximum responsibility. Let me also tell you that on this occasion, today onwards, you will have to remember that you are now the ambassadors of the school. So the way you act, the way you behave, the way you perform, the way you present yourself, the way you place yourself in the society is going to be the perception or image of the school in the eyes of the society. So a lot of responsibility you are going to handle and bear it on your shoulders. As more or less you are now the student leaders, so let me tell you something about leader and the leadership. Fundamentally, if you see, a leader is said to be a person having all sorts of good qualities. And on the other hand, he should not or she should not have any bad qualities, though it is practically difficult, but even then it is expected from the leader. But quickly, if I try to summarize all the good qualities, because it is a very vast area to be talked about, then mandatorily a leader should have a habit to work in a team so that he can or she can utilize, identify or utilize the potential of each and every of his council members. And on the other hand, I said should not have any bad quality in the sense that leader should never think that he is a boss and the rest of them are subordinate to him. Because you know, in that case, because either in this case you will find either the rest of the students are your friends or they are your junior fellows or they are your seniors, but nobody is your subordinate. You will have to ultimately, as you said in the BPS anthem, that ultimately your goal and is our goal is to keep the name of BPS high. Now moving on, a very important thing. The school has given you certain additional responsibility. It does not mean that you are allowed to curtail down your studies and compromise on your performance. Rather, you will have to promise me, rather you will have to promise within yourself that next year you are going to perform or you will perform better than ever. Your performance, the academic attainments, the achievements, the marks should not go down, rather it should be improved. Truly, if you wish to become head boy, head girl, house captains, then you should be head boy, head girl, house captains academically also. Then and then only you can inspire and set up an example to your junior fellows that how beautifully you could able to maintain your performance or without sacrificing your marks, how have you contributed to increase the efficiency of the school as a whole. So that is what I personally or the entire school fraternity looks after. That head boy or head girl or any house captain or carrying any responsibility must not think that now they have got the medal, that at the end of the year if their performance is going little here and there, then they will say that, okay, we were, I am sorry ma'am, or I am sorry dad, or I am sorry mom, we were handling this additional responsibility, that's why I could not get the time to study. You will have to do justice towards your new assignment without sacrificing your performance. Now, the most and the very important thing I am going to tell you, that as your new academic session is already started and it is going in full swing. So put the accelerator on and take the momentum so as to achieve the stipulated target. As you all know that the world is changing very fast. Everything is becoming highly technical and competitive. For anything, for everything, you are just away, as you must be aware. You are just away by pressing a key. Press the key, the food is at your doorstep at any time, 24/7. Press the key, you can launch the satellite. But let me tell you, my dear friends, there is no such key is available for the success. For success, you need to do a lot of hard work, dedication, perseverance. And that too, if you want a success on permanent basis, then you should press these keys of hard work, dedication and perseverance, perfect time management, smart time management, effective time management, continuously, permanently, smartly, regularly, consistently, religiously, positively. Means if you keep on adding all sorts of leads, then and then only you can have a permanent success, and that too with high hand. So that's what I wanted to communicate to you, and I'm sure, without taking much of the time, that the new council will take care and fulfill all their responsibilities and the duties to the best of their ability and determination and compassion, which PBS will always cherish and will always remain thankful to you. So God bless you. Have a good luck. Let this ceremony be continued. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. No pressing button for your success. Fantastic saying. Press the button of perseverance, hard work, discipline, and you will get the permanent success. I think the closing lines must be held trust, faith, hope, responsibility with the newly appointed school cabinet. It signifies the confidence, the suggestions given by our Honorable Sir that there is no shortcut to the school flag. Signifies passing the baton of responsibilities from the previous council to the present one. Dear audience, amidst huge round of applauses, please welcome on the stage Miss Miksha Verma, the head girl of the previous session, along with the head boy of the previous session, Master Aditya Khandelwal, who will be handing over the school flag, the baton of responsibilities to the newly appointed head girl, Miss Akshita Singh Solanki, and our newly appointed head boy, Master Tarun Bola. Passing the baton of responsibilities means passing and entirely discharging of the duties now will be done by our newly appointed council. Dear audience, the student council for the academic session 2024-25. May I request Master Tarun Bola, the head boy of our school, toward flag stand to place the school flag in the stand. Please put your hands together. May your school name rise high, like the flag which is going to be here. And Vice Captain Ms. Siddhika Patidar to kindly proceed to place their house flag in the stand. Master Arun Sharma to kindly proceed to place their house flag in the stand. Ms. Anya Maheshwari along with the Vice Captain Ms. Gyana Vijayvargya to kindly proceed to place their house flag in the stand. House Captain Master Kintan Pant along with the Vice Captain Master Maulik Chittora to kindly proceed to place their house flag in the stand. Let me also introduce you all to the other office bearers and the club presidents of various clubs. Cultural Captain Ms. Jia Agarwal. Let me introduce you to the other office bearers. We have Dance and Drama Ms. Aratrika. Music Club Ms. Trivia. English Literary Club Master Vandit Thanwani. Art and Craft Club Ms. Ruchi Mishra. Maths Club Ms. Khushi Gupta. Eco Club Master Aradhya Sharma. Sports Club Ms. Khunika. For Hindi Samiti Club, Ms. Avika Singh. And Tourism Club, Master Vivan Verma. Please put your hands together for all these office bearers. Along with them, may I request all the house in charges and club teacher in charges up on the dais as I announce their names. Red House, house in charge, Ms. Vandana. Yellow House, Ms. Archana Gupta. Blue House, Ms. Sarita Dikshit. Green House, Ms. Reenu Vijay. House in charge of various clubs. Dance and Drama. Put your hands. For Sports Club, may I request Ms. Ganga Sharma on the stage. For Hindi Samiti Club, Ms. Kiran Vaishnav. The children are mostly delighted. I am very happy for your jubilance and excitement. For Tourism Club, none other than Evergreen, Mr. Mahendra Verma. Put your hands together. All set, yes. And the activity in charges, Ms. Ritu Jain and Ms. Shilpi Solomon. So really, the students are really delighted, and a huge welcome to all the council members. We hope, along with the director of the school, Dr. Richa Bansal, the principal mentor, Sir Gyan Gautam, the principal Ma'am Savita Tripathi, to come up on the dais for donning the mantle of leadership and responsibility to our newly appointed council by pinning the badges and donning the sashes. Please put your hands together as I welcome all our dignitaries on the stage, please. To kindly do the honors to Tarun Bola, the newly appointed head boy of our school, along with the head girl, Ms. Akshita Singh Solanki. May I request the dignitaries to kindly do the honors, sashes and badges by our honorable sir, by our honorable dignitaries. For head boy and head girl, Charge Ms. Vandana Tiwari, Captain Navya Arora and Vice Captain Siddhika Patidar. Please put your hands together for the red, Ms. Archana Gupta, Captain Maulik Upadhyay and Vice Captain Arush Sharma. Please put your hands together for the yellow house. And now, I would like this is the yellow house office bearers in front of you. And now, may I call the house in charge, Ms. Sarita Dixit, along with the captain of the house, Anya Maheshwari. for Jia and Afsa, cultural captain and discipline captain of the school. Ms. Ritu Jain, along with the President, Aratrika Saha, a mature bearers. Please put your hands together. Together for the Art and Craft Club office bearers. Kunika Verma. Club. Please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Mahendra Verma, along with the President of Tourism Club, Master Vivan Verma. Of the school, may I request the activity in charges, Ms. Ritu Jain, along with Ms. Shilpi. Thank you teachers, thank you dignitaries for doing the honors. Responsibilities and the obligations. May I have the privilege to request our principal mentor, Sir Gyan Gautam, on the stage for the ceremonious oath-taking ceremony.
We, the Student Council, promise to represent and serve our fellow students and set an example in all aspects of school life. We will abide by the rules with sincerity and encourage extension of school spirit and tone. As a student council, we will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school and be fully committed to all that Bansal Public School stands for and thrives to achieve.
Devotion. Thank you, council members, for being here. On the stage, you have received the badges and searches. You have taken the oath. Now you will hopefully dispense the duties all well. Once again, dear audience, Miss Miksha Verma, the head girl of our school for the previous session. She dispensed her duties to the best of her capacity, and now she has handed over her baton of responsibilities to the present head girl. May I request Miss Miksha Verma, the head girl of the previous session, to come up on the dais to say a few words amidst huge round of applause. Dear audience, please.
And I'm the former head girl of Bansal Public School. I was in this role for the past months, and it was an experience that I will cherish for rest of my life. During my time as a head girl, I have many different opportunities to participate in activities and events. I also explored a lot about myself and explored my leadership skills. For this, I am very grateful to my teachers and the entire school management, as I could not have done this without your support and guidance. You trusted me and gave me support to complete this time. And to the juniors who are the upcoming student council for the session 2024-25, all the best, set a good example for others, and respect teachers, have a positive attitude, and work as a team. As it is truly said that leaders are not born, they are made. And I was made here at Bansal Public School. So thank you everyone for this wonderful opportunity. Have a good day ahead and all the best to the new student council session. Thank you.
Really, the suggestions given by you to the present council, they will hold back in their heart and mind. With this, please put your hands together once again. Ms. Akshita Singh Solanki, the newly appointed head girl, to come up on the dais to address the gathering. May I request Akshita Singh Solanki.
It's not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It's about one's life influencing another. A very good afternoon, everyone. I, Akshita Singh, feels immensely privileged to be the head girl for the session 2024-25. Though I've been preparing several drafts of this speech, I still don't have words to describe the feelings. First of all, I express my earnest gratitude towards the indwelling and enlightening visions of our Honorable Director and Chief Mentor, Sir Pramod Kumar Bansal, all the untiring teachers, the kind staff, and all the students who had put their trust in my ability to lead, thus giving me this opportunity to serve and shoulder the school responsibilities. This indeed is a golden opportunity to inculcate the values of harmony and comradeship. I am immensely obliged to my parents and teachers for making me as dynamic as being a head girl. I not just stand here to lead you, but to work in collaboration with each one of you to achieve the best for our school. I promise that this post won't affect my behavior. Instead, I'll try my best to improve myself as much as I can and never let your expectations down. I assure you to leave no stone unturned and raise our school's name high. Thank you.
She wrote before pouring her heart out without seeing the paper. This is the real caliber of the head girl. Please put your hands together for Akshita Singh Solanki. From a heart brimming with the feelings of thanks and gratifies both the receiver and the giver. The giving away, the vote of thanks. May I invite our Sir Gyan Gautam, the principal mentor of our school, amidst huge round of applauses. Please put your hands together as I invite Gyan Gautam on the stage for the vote of thanks.
Chief Mentor and Director Shri Pramod Kumar Bansal Sir, respected Director Ma'am, Dr. Richa Bansal, Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear students. Good afternoon, everybody. So it's a pleasure for all of us. Really, your presence made this occasion a very special one for all of us. Your words of wisdom, motivation, and guidance will definitely help our student council members to work throughout the session 24-25 with sincerity and honesty. Sir, my special and sincere thanks to you for blessing our children on this occasion. Also, many congratulations to all the members of Student Council, starting from head boy to, I think last was Tourism Club. All are given some responsibilities, and I hope that they will do with the sincerity. Under the able guidance of their teacher in charges and all the BPS team which are ready to help them. We saw here 2 head girls spoken here, previous one and this, and it's a great moment for us that the newly elected head girl, nominated head girl is very prominent, seems to be a good, and we hope for the best for this session for her and all other members. Also, I wish my best wishes to all the members and teacher in charges that they will perform their duties with teamwork, team spirit, and handle the success as well as setbacks gracefully, and definitely it will help them to become responsible global citizen of tomorrow. May God bless all of us. Thank you very much.
Precious words. We are coming towards the verge of conclusion of this investor ceremony. I request all the teacher in charges, club in charges, and council members along with the dignitary, yes, be on the stage, please.
गुजरात मरा
Club, English Literary Club in charge Mr. Amit Agarwal.